Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to show you that how you can add waves in your Shopify store. So basically I am going to add multiple waves on the top and bottom of the sections. So you can see on my screen that how it looks. So in the same way you can also implement the same thing into your Shopify store. I will help you that how you can add this into your Shopify store with few simple lines of code. So that is super simple. For example, you can see on my screen right now, I have this home page and I have multiple sections and I don't have any kind of wave here. So I am interested to add waves. So how I will do that? You should go back to the dashboard of your Shopify store. Here you can see that I have installed Dawn theme. If you have any other theme, maybe paid theme or free theme, so this method is applicable for all themes. So firstly you should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme so that you should have a backup of it. Then after again click on these three dots and click on edit code. Here in this screen you can see that we have multiple folders and files, and let me give you one more suggestion. So here is this website css-generators.com/wavy-shapes. So basically this is a website which is actually helping us to generate multiple kinds of waves, for example for top, for bottom, for left, for right, for left plus right, top plus bottom. So whatever waves you need, you are going to choose according to that. So let's say I'm choosing bottom. So you can see that if I'm adding here 20, so that means the density will be increasing. And if I am adding 50, so now the waves are reduced, but you can also see the spacing is little bit bigger. So you can also choose pixel or any other specific size unit, and then you can copy and paste the code from here. And right now I have already created a code, so I will be adding this one. So let's say so here is the front end of my Shopify store, and you can see that we have home page here. So I am interested to add the wave for this specific section first. So let's say this is a featured collection. So let me go back here and you can see that we have this section. So we have featured-collection.liquid, and inside of this you are going to paste this specific code. So let's say I'm copying from here and pasting it on the top or maybe in between. So you should paste it, and then but before pasting please make sure that you are writing a style tag also. So let me write here, and in between I'm going to paste it and then save the changes. So once you saved the changes, so let me refresh it back, and here we go. Now you can see that we have a wave on the top, but you can see that the color of the wave and the section color is little different. So let me do one more change. So let me add this specific color to the wave also. So I have a color picker here. Let me copy this exact code. So let's say this is the code, and then you can actually add background that specific color code and then refresh it now. So you can see that we have a beautiful wave on the top. And now in the bottom, for example, this is another section which is slider. So let me find it out here. So let's say I am right now searching collection slider.liquid, and inside of it, same way you can actually copy this code from here and paste it on the top. So let's say I have this style tag, and inside of it I am going to paste it, and let me save the changes, and then you should preview it. So let me refresh it back, and here we go. Now you can see that I have added a background color for that. So that background color is already implemented here now. So the wave is on the top, and here also we have the wave. So same way, whichever section you are interested to add, so you can actually implement the same thing for that section. So this is really simple. If you are facing any issues or something, then definitely you can ask me. I will help you out in that. In the previous video, I created a wish list feature. You can see here is the wish list. So on the top, if I'm clicking on this, here you can see that we have all the products added as a wish list. If I'm removing this, you can see that this is removed, and if I'm adding into the cart, so that will be added to the cart. So here we go. You will see that we have the products which we had in the wish list, so that is also added into the cart page. And one more thing I created in the previous video, which is collection slider. So you can see that this is a 3D collection slider, which is really beautiful, and if you are selecting any of the collection, so you will be redirected to that specific collection page, and this is looking beautiful. So I have created a lot of sections, so you can explore shopwebsitecourse.com, and there you will be finding all these sections, ready-made sections, which you can just copy and paste. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel, also like this video, and make sure that this is the course. So I am scrolling on the right so that you can actually copy and paste it exactly the same way which we have here. Alright, so don't make any small mistake here, just copy exact code, and then you can only need to change the background color, and if you want you can also improve the margin bottom and margin top. Here I have already added, so you can do the modification according to your requirement, and if you are facing any issues, then directly you can message me, I will help you out in that. So thank you so much once again, see you in the next video.